once 5,000 people are here or going to be here attending the session live today, and that too because we have only capacity to host 5,000 at a time. Around 15,000 people have registered from 85 countries to be a part of this. If you are waiting for a pandemic to get over, it is a terrible idea. But the crisis hides an opportunity that has never been present before. These opportunities are also arising, which was never there. The opportunity to perform international work for global organizations, especially in the US, from your home, and earning as much as 10x of what you earn by performing work domestically in your own country. US people are earning that much money. And that too on your own terms, working 40 to 50 hours a week and not subjecting yourself to an unhealthy work environment. And if you're a law student, it's possible to start earning anywhere between $100 to $500 per month, starting and building slowly, working 2-3 hours per day, which is manageable with college activities. Okay. But do you want to see profiles of people? Are you interested in this opportunity? Because we're going to talk mostly about this opportunity, how to get such work in the US, right? How to do US PTO, US Patent and Trademark Office work, how to get paid doing that work, right? And the beautiful thing is that if you know this work, getting a job in a law firm in your own country is not difficult because even they want to do this work. Before pandemic, only 3.6% of the employees of US corporations worked from home. Now it is at least 30%. It is a tectonic shift. Data is not the new oil. Affordable talent is. You have heard this thing. Data is the new oil. I am saying that affordable talent is the new oil. How to do it is the entire 3-day boot camp is about how to do it. We are just beginning today. Today we'll not talk about how to do it. Today we'll talk about the opportunities. What is the opportunity? Why is the opportunity there? What new opportunities are going to come? And let's understand the opportunities today. How to take these opportunities, we'll talk tomorrow. Okay? Not today. How? We'll talk tomorrow. Availability of affordable talent at scale is a new ultimate geopolitical advantage. It is better than having lots of oil or gold under your lands in the age of frictionless remote work. It is not oil, not data, but this talent that will power the engines of the next industrial revolution. We are at the cusp of another industrial revolution. Remote work is here to stay. For better or worse, here CNBC is saying working from home is here to stay. The big law firm has permanent plans for remote working, right? As you can see here, this is a US big law firm saying we'll permanently work remotely. Remote work has led to exponential increase in freelancing jobs, even in non-tech areas, because employees are managers, and managers are both becoming comfortable with freelancing and managing productivity online. As an independent paralegal, you get to build your own reputation, track record, your own network, and possibility of rising within a foreign meritocratic organization. Okay, so that's why you want to work directly with the clients in the US rather than working through an LPO, right? You get to perform work which is challenging and intellectually satisfying. Also, you get paid a lot more as there are no middlemen involved. IP law work is one of the first legal work segments which is becoming international in a remote work environment. While each country may have different system of courts, taxes, police, and other regulators, criminal law is different in every country, right? But IP work is significantly harmonized, and it is the same IP law due to international trade agreements under WTO, such as the TRIPS agreement. Because of the TRIPS agreement, as a young lawyer, how much can I earn? Well, you get to decide how much you want to earn and how much time you can devote to this work. It does not take very long. We will discuss, my dog is going crazy outside, wants to come inside. We will discuss detailed roadmaps tomorrow, right? Tomorrow we'll discuss how to earn this much, what to do if you want to earn $2,000 per month. How are you going to do it? What are the steps? What is the formula for that? We are going to talk about tomorrow, roadmap. We'll give you a roadmap tomorrow for this. What is the work? Now you want to know what is the work performed by IP lawyers, right?
Okay. Now this is how you must think like whenever a company comes to you. Does this make sense? Now I'm going to go ahead and say, what is the work that those 5 categories of work? I'm going to explain those 5 categories of work. Right now, I explained the situation and what the company is thinking. And that concern you as a lawyer, check only on the USPTO portal. Now, your job is to check this portal and find out the products which are closest to the invention and have either been granted a patent or where there is a patent application filed for it. Okay. Once you perform this task, the US lawyer will review it, add his or her inputs, and then they will send a final report to the client. Now, you want me to go further slow? Okay. You send a proposal to the US lawyer, which has been approved. Okay. So, time to rejoice. You've got your first mandate. Okay. And you can download the patented file. Now, right now, what you have learned? You have learned how to download the entire patent document for patents which are granted. Could you follow this? How to write the report, right? So now you understood that how to search for the applications and for the patents, right? The two options that opened, if you click on that, it's a different category altogether, absolutely unrelated to umbrellas. Only two were relevant because they were reversible umbrellas. Okay. Step 3 was applied for patents. Step 2 was the actual patents. And step 1 was finding the category.
Okay, let's get back to discussing what kind of traditional jobs are there if you learn US IP law. So apart from remote work, is there any other work you can get? What kind of jobs can I get with good intellectual property law skills if you learn this kind of US work, which is anyway similar in other countries also? Can I get law firm jobs in my country? Apart from remote projects from US lawyers and foreign clients, you can also get several other kinds of jobs.